Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I'm Banan Kabir Sani, taking SS1 Science, subject Physics, topic light wave, subtopic light reflection. Let's start by learning what is light. Light is a form of energy called luminous energy. This energy causes a sensation of vision, enabling us to see. There are various sources of light. We have the natural source of light, which is the sun and the star. And we also have the artificial source of light, which is candle, electric lamp, and fluorescent light. Then, going to light reflection, let's know what is reflection first. Reflection in yourself in front of mirror, that image of yourself is a reflection of yourself, then the ray bounces back on you. Light reflection is a phenomenon in which light bounces back on hitting a plane surface. Then there are two types of reflection. We have the regular reflection and we have the scattered or diffuse reflection. Regular reflection. In regular reflection, parallel rays of light incidents on a smooth or polished surface are reflected as a parallel ray in one direction. In a diagrammatically, this is a smooth surface. The ray comes from here and it bounces back here. Another ray from here bounces back here. Another ray from here comes back. This is the direction of the ray. And when it hits a smooth surface, it will take a direction parallel to the in one direction. For smooth, for rough or scattered, we call it scattered or diffuse reflection. Parallel ray of a light incidents on a rough or irregular surface are reflected in various directions. That is, in what different direction. Diagrammatically, for scattered diffusion or diffuse reflection, then a ray hitting a rough surface will take this direction. Another ray will take this direction. Another ray will bounce back. Then therefore we have irregular reflection. That is, this is the direction of this ray. You take this direction. This is the direction of this ray. You take another direction. This direction of this ray and it comes back to this direction, and therefore it have irregular manner or irregular pattern. And therefore this type of reflection we call it a scattered or diffuse reflection. Then we move to laws of reflection, that is the laws guiding reflection of light. We have two laws. There are laws of reflection, that is, the law of reflection are two. The first one says that the incidence ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lies on the same plane. This law is saying that the incident ray, that means the ray that coincide with one another, and the reflected, that the ray that is reflected, and the normal means the plane of reflection, all lies on the same plane. That is, they all lie on the same plane. The second law says that the angle of incident I and the angle is equal to the angle of reflection I. That means the angle for the parallel for the regular reflection, the angle here is equal to the angle here. The angle here is equal to the angle here. The angle here is equal to the angle here. That means this is what angle of incident and this is the angle of reflection, because this is the reflected ray. And also this is the angle of incident while this is the reflected angle, that is R. Then the angle here is equal to, for the scattered one, the angle here also is equal to the angle here, while the angle here is equal to the angle here. That means this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. All the two angles are equal. then that is, it is also called Snell law. The second law is also called Snell law. Thank you very much for